These lemon ricotta pancakes are thick, soft and fluffy, while also being melt in your mouth tender from the ricotta cheese. Whip yourself up a batch to enjoy this weekend. Welcome to Recipes by Karina, where I share with you how to make classic and simply delicious recipes. Make sure to follow my page or subscribe for a new recipe each week. To start, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, add in your ricotta cheese. I wouldn't substitute anything for ricotta here, so if you don't have any, I will link my favourite fluffy pancake recipe that uses all ingredients you should already have on hand. Make sure your ricotta cheese doesn't have liquid on the bottom. You can see the ideal texture here with what I'm using. If it has, make sure to drain it off before using. To the ricotta cheese, crack in 2 medium-sized eggs. If you'd like the full recipe for this lemon ricotta pancakes, it'll be on my website as well as the full measurements listed in the description box below. Next, we'll need half a cup or 125 ml of whole milk. You'll notice I give the recipe amounts in metric and imperial, cups, grams, mils and ounces, so no matter where you live in the world, this recipe should be easy enough to follow. Lastly, for the wet ingredients, we need the zest of 1 lemon. You can leave lemon out here if you would just like to make ricotta pancakes, but honestly, the lemon and texture of these pancakes are like a match made in heaven. They're soft and fluffy, tangy and sweet, and almost custard-like in the centre from the ricotta cheese. Almost like you're eating a Japanese or baked cheesecake. Give the wet ingredients a good mix together with a wooden spoon until well combined. Set the bowl to the side while we work on the dry ingredients. This recipe makes about 8 pancakes, which should serve 3 to 4 people as they are pretty thick and filling. If you are serving more or less people, you can easily double or halve the recipe. Click the link below to go to the full written recipe, and you can choose the amount of pancakes you would like to make, and it will automatically update the ingredient amounts, which means no maths is required. In a smaller bowl, measure out 1 cup or 125 grams of standard or all-purpose flour. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite weekend brunch is to make. Sweet like pancakes, French toast or crepes, or maybe something more savoury like shakshuka or poached eggs. So many different delicious choices. I'll usually leave out sugar in my pancake batter as I prefer to sweeten with syrup and fruit, but I find these pancakes are better all on their own without syrup, so I'm adding some sugar. 3 tablespoons or 25 grams is about the perfect amount. Add it to the bowl with the flour. Next we'll need some baking powder to give the pancakes some lift, making them light and airy, as well as a good pinch of salt to round out the flavours. Using a wooden spoon, give the dry ingredients a quick mix together until they are just combined. Take the bowl of your dry ingredients and pour it into the bowl with the wet ingredients. Take your wooden spoon and start to gently fold the pancake batter together. It should be pretty thick. Make sure to stop mixing as soon as the dry ingredients have been incorporated to keep these pancakes super tender. It's perfectly okay for the batter to have small lumps, you don't need to get all of these out. When you are ready to cook your pancakes, take a medium-sized fry pan and heat over medium-low heat. I prefer to use cast iron here as it provides a great even heat, but a non-stick pan will work great too. These pancakes do take a while to cook as they are pretty thick. To speed up this step, I would recommend using 2 pans or a griddle so you can cook multiple pancakes at once. Take about half a teaspoon of butter and add it to the pan. Scoop about 1/3 of a cup of pancake batter and pour it into the fry pan. You can make your pancakes smaller or larger than this, but using a 1/3 cup measurement will give you about 8 pancakes. The batter will be pretty thick, but the pancake should start to spread a little on its own. Cook over medium-low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the edges of the pancake are starting to look seared. Check occasionally underneath and adjust the heat so they don't burn. Flip the pancake and cook on the other side for another few minutes. A great tip to check your pancakes are fully cooked is to press the centre like you would a cake, and if they spring back, it's ready. Serve the pancakes stacked high with a good dusting of powdered sugar. Lemon curd, berries and creme fraiche are all delicious with these. I hope you try out this recipe. You'll love these pancakes just as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.